The impact of fire on the landscape can alter wildlife habitat, but is a natural part of the boreal forest. However, one UAF professor says what sets the last 2 decades apart from historical record is the growing number of frequency of large fire years. Subsistence hunters who rely on caribou in the fire-prone areas may have fewer available as climate change increases the number and sizes of forest fires in the boreal forest. In a 2014 study, researchers projected the porcupine caribou herd will lose 21% of winter habitat to fire by the end of the century. Interior Alaska has predominantly had black or white spruce trees. However, after the vegetation is burned, it is replaced by young deciduous species such as willow, aspen, and birch, which starts to change the ecosystem over time. UAF professor of forestry and director of the International Arctic Research Center's Scenarios Network and Arctic Planning, Scott Roop, says modeling fire probability provides valuable information to resource managers. The Alaska Climate Science Center project changes in regimes, permafrost, and vegetation to better understand landscape scale variations that could provide information for future fire, land use, and wildlife management.
The integrated ecosystem model, and what it is it's working with various researchers here at the university that are dealing with issues of permafrost, hydrology, vegetation dynamics, and disturbance, particularly wildfire, and actually getting those groups to work together to try to provide a more complete picture of how all those dynamic processes interact, and particularly in ways that we can hopefully produce information that land managers can use.